You've created the auxiliary view, and now you need to project the arcs and holes into the adjacent views. Start with the center line in the front view. Remember, center lines always extend beyond your object lines. Now offset the center line, the whole radius of 7/16 in this case. Change the line types to hidden and trim and extend as needed.
Very cool. Glad you done that.
I'll turn off the dim layer to get it out of my way for now. Next, project the point where the center line crosses the object line into the right view. Also project the very top of the 0.88 radius over. Draw the vertical center line and offset the radius values. Use the Axis Ellipse tool and use the defined endpoints for the major and the projected line for the minor axis. Repeat that same process for the 0.875 diameter hole. Trim the excess lines. Convert the center line to center line type. Change the lines representing the edge of the hole to hidden line types. Project the line representing the terminating face and extend the whole edges to that line. Now's a good time to add some of the R120 fillets. Toggle between trim and no trim as needed. Now project the point where the center line crosses the object line into the top view. Project the top of the 0.88 radius arc in the top view. Draw the horizontal center line and offset the radius values. Project the top of the hole and use the boundaries to define the axis ellipse. Next, add the outer radius. Change the hole edge lines to hidden line types. Next, we can locate the left end of the body. Project where the object lines intersect and where the center line intersect the top surface. Use the boundaries to define the ellipse. I'll project from the edges to the center line. We repeat that process using where the hole exits through the bottom. Change this ellipse to hidden line and extend the hole boundaries to it. Adjust the center line representing the entire axis of the hole. Now's a good time to add some more of the R120 fillets. There are also several more hidden lines that we need to add. Finish your views and add your dimensions. Remember, those dimensions related to the inclined face need to be in the auxiliary view.